Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of turning your backyard into a modern, weather-ready oasis, then today's video is for you. We're diving deep into the Mirador 111s Outdoor Aluminum Pergola with Adjustable Louvered Roof, a sleek, award-winning structure designed to redefine your outdoor living experience. From its innovative features to real customer feedback, assembly details, and overall performance, we'll be covering it all. Stick around as we explore whether this pergola is the right investment for your space, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy honest, in-depth reviews. The Mirador 111s is not your average pergola. It's a thoughtfully engineered outdoor solution designed to offer year-round usability with a contemporary look. Built with adjustability, durability, and user comfort in mind, this structure elevates patios, decks, gardens, and outdoor kitchens. It features a louvered roof system that adapts to your needs, whether you're seeking shade, sunlight, or rain protection. By combining premium materials and smart design, Mirador has created a system that's as functional as it is beautiful, appealing to homeowners looking to invest in lasting outdoor upgrades. One of the first things that stands out about the Mirador 111s is its internationally award-winning design. This pergola doesn't just serve a purpose, it enhances your space visually. With clean lines, a minimalist aesthetic, and a modern silhouette, it fits seamlessly into both contemporary and traditional outdoor environments. Whether you're placing it near a hot tub, BBQ area, or seating arrangement, the structure becomes a focal point that adds architectural sophistication. It's more than shelter, it's an outdoor design statement. What really sets this pergola apart is its adjustable louvered hardtop. The louvers can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing full control over how much sunlight or shade you want at any time of day. This adjustability means you can open the roof fully to enjoy morning sun, partially tilt it for afternoon comfort, or close it completely during rain. It's a flexible feature that transforms the pergola into a smart outdoor solution, adapting in real time to changing weather conditions or user preference. Mirador's integrated drainage system is another standout feature. When the louvers are closed and it rains, water is directed through built-in channels toward the pergola's columns. From there, it exits discreetly through notches at the base of each post. This hidden yet effective system ensures your outdoor area stays dry and usable, eliminating the worry of water collecting or dripping onto your furniture. It's a practical solution that adds real value, especially in climates where unexpected rain showers are common. Quality materials are at the core of the Mirador 111s's construction. The frame is made from powder-coated aluminum, which resists rust and maintains its sleek finish over time. The adjustable louvers themselves are made from galvanized steel, offering strength and corrosion resistance. Together, these components create a pergola capable of withstanding wind speeds up to 73 miles per hour, far above average for similar outdoor structures. This robust construction ensures long-term durability without sacrificing style or performance. Despite its premium build, the Mirador 111s is designed with ease of assembly in mind. The prefabricated rails and louvers require no welding or advanced tools, and everything connects with the help of the provided expansion bolts. That said, while many confident DIYers will appreciate the clear instructions and support videos, others might opt for professional installation to save time and ensure perfect alignment. The key takeaway here is that Mirador has done an excellent job making assembly approachable for a wide range of users. When you purchase the Mirador 111s, you'll receive a full set of louvers, trim and molding, and all necessary anchor and mounting hardware. However, it's important to note that foundation materials are not included. You'll need to have a proper surface such as concrete, wood decking, or pavers ready prior to installation. This is an important planning step and can affect both the look and stability of your pergola once it's in place. To protect your investment and ensure safe use, there are a few important guidelines to follow. Never allow snow to accumulate on the closed louvered roof, as the structure isn't designed to bear heavy snow loads. If snow is forecasted, simply open the louvers to avoid damage. During periods of high winds or extreme weather, it's also recommended to open the louvers and remove any shade screen accessories. Finally, before purchasing, consult with your local building department or HOA, as this pergola may require a permit in some areas. Real-world users have had largely positive experiences with the Mirador 111s. One user shared, "I am pleasantly surprised with this purchase. We did add on the assembly through Wayfair. I've raved about this pergola to several people." Another said, "Great purchase. Very happy with the style and stability. Fits perfect in our space. Took a few extra days to arrive with delivery." These reviews highlight satisfaction not just with the aesthetics, but also the strength and utility of the product. Even minor issues like shipping delays don't seem to dampen the overall enthusiasm. The Mirador 111s is versatile enough to fit into a variety of settings. Whether you're creating an outdoor dining area, spa retreat, garden lounge, or poolside cabana, this pergola adds both function and flair. Its adaptability through the louvered roof system makes it suitable for daytime use, evening gatherings, or even seasonal changes. It works especially well in areas where you want to control sun exposure without fully enclosing the space. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get modern, award-winning design, an adjustable louver system for light and airflow control, a smart drainage system, high-quality, weather-resistant materials, and relatively simple assembly. The main cons are the need to manage snow and wind exposure, potential delays in delivery, and the requirement for a suitable foundation. Also, depending on your local regulations, securing a permit might be necessary. Despite these considerations, the pros easily outweigh the cons for most homeowners. After reviewing all aspects, it's clear that the Mirador 111s is a premium outdoor structure that delivers excellent value. With its sophisticated design, durable construction, and smart functionality, it's an ideal solution for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor lifestyle. While it may require a bit of planning and possibly professional installation, the result is a long-lasting upgrade that will be enjoyed for years. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply relaxing solo, this pergola gives you flexibility, comfort, and curb appeal. This pergola is perfect for homeowners who prioritize both design and function in their outdoor spaces. It's especially well suited for those living in regions with mixed weather conditions who want an all-in-one solution for shade and rain protection. If you enjoy outdoor entertaining or are simply looking to create a backyard escape, the Mirador 111s is a compelling choice. Just be sure to assess your foundation, consider local code requirements, and plan for proper seasonal maintenance. Thanks for sticking with us for this in-depth look at the Mirador 111s Outdoor Aluminum Pergola. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more high-quality reviews and buying guides. Have a question or experience with the Mirador Pergola? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, enjoy your outdoor living and stay inspired.